In today's video, I'll teach you how to paraphrase text on Grammarly. So first of all, open the Grammarly application on your device. After you do that, click on this option, New Document, that you can see on the screen. Now after that, a new document will be opened up in the browser. So if you want to use the Paraphraser, what you have to do is look at right. You'll be able to find various icons over here. Find this option for Paraphraser and click on it. Now after you do that, the Paraphraser will be opened. What you have to do is simply choose the writing style over here. Click on the writing style of your choice. Now after that, simply wait for a while. Now Grammarly will give you the suggestion. You can see the suggestion over here. You'll be able to find this option for accept or dismiss. What you have to do is simply read the suggestion. If you want to replace the phrase, what you have to do is click on this option accept. Now you'll have to keep on doing that. Now after that, you can see over here the initial phrases will be replaced and it will be paraphrased. So that is how you paraphrase text on Grammarly. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.